and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello, good morning, and welcome to a new series of like moving vlogs. And just as moving into our first home, last night we got here around like 6 o'clock, and one of Jake's friends, Ryan, he came. Thank God he came, because some of the stuff, like, there was just no way I would have been able to like help lift that. They were just too heavy. We unloaded it, I think, within like an hour. Now we just have to like unbox and stuff. We did get our bed frame and all that set up last night, but yeah, that was pretty much it. I'll post like a few clips from last night, because we did end up having pizza, and we went through every single box trying to find the pizza pan but couldn't find it, so we ended up using a cutting board. But that's just kind of what our situation looks like right now. We have a lot to do today. We have a lot to do. I am going to, first of all, clean the fridge. Let me show you the fridge. It's pretty much all clean. I tried to clean it last night. There's just a few spots that I need to get in there, but then yeah, this is a hot mess. I did end up having to put like our Moe's and stuff in here because I didn't want it to like obviously ruin. But I have to take all this out and put it back into the cooler so I can clean it. Also, Meowsy is here and he's loving all the new boxes. Say, love the boxes, love the new home. He's just a very happy boy right now. I'm about to get ready, and then I will see you guys once I get like makeup, hair done, and then we're gonna go to Dunkin' and get a coffee. I'm so excited. First coffee in the house. I need it. Really need it. I think we got like 3 hours of sleep last night. I decided I wanted to come upstairs and see which room is the lightest or brightest, and I think it is the office. Definitely not the man cave. The man cave is definitely dark, and then the guest room is pretty light, but I feel like a lot of the light is coming in here, so this is gonna be perfect for my job. I'll show you what it looks like right now. This is it. Just so far all I have is my little full-length mirror, which, oh my gosh, I love the look of the blinds, the little shadows. Oh my gosh. And then I brought my, well, this is mom's chair, but she gave it to me. And then also, of course, the little like clothing rack, my desk. My poor little cactus is definitely dying. Hopefully we can fix him and thrive him. And then this is all of Meow stuff. I don't know where I want to put his stuff. I just have it here for right now. And then, of course, the closet, which I've already showed you guys this, but yeah, love it so far. Definitely the brightest room upstairs for sure, by far, which makes me really happy about my decision about putting my stuff in here. Alright, a little bit of an update. This guy is full. She is running. And then these are the pots and pans that my parents gifted us. They are the KitchenAid brand, and they are so nice. But yeah, I just unboxed these, and I'm gonna wait, obviously, until this load is done to put them in there. And then I just like have some little Santa mugs that need to go in the dishwasher, as well as this little grater, just some other things. But I've just been unboxing. Look how much better it is looking. I put all of the, you know, boxes and like trash and stuff, not trash, but just like boxes and cardboard and plastic over there. And then I was unboxing my KitchenAid mixer, and I thought I like left a piece in there, so I went to grab it, and Meowsy scared the crap out of me. Are you supposed to be in that box? I do not think so, buddy. But yeah, it's looking good, I think, so far. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna do like our little coffee bar over there and put like coffee mugs and maybe like wine glasses. I don't really know. Maybe our plates over there too. I haven't really decided, but I think that's gonna look so cute with like the Keurig and the like toaster. I may put the KitchenAid mixer over here as well. Right now I have it over there. I don't know where to put the air fryer. I know we're gonna use it a ton. I just don't know where to put it. All of this stuff over here has to be put in the dishwasher as well. I have still yet to clean the fridge, but you know, we're making progress. We're making lots of progress. I mean, there were tons of boxes in here, and now like a big chunk is gone. So I'm really happy with the progress that I've made, but I just wanted to give you guys like a little update. I got so like into it that I forgot to vlog. I'm gonna do like a little time lapse here in a second.
the place, dispatch you from a ways. My heart, it started racing.
I just got an email saying that a package was delivered, so this would be our first package delivered to our home. Oh wow. Just kidding, there's multiple. We got this spot cleaner, and I want to say, I'll have to open that. I want to say that's like storage or something. I don't know where we left off, but basically I got so much stuff done. I still have to finish the fridge. I mean, most of the stuff is like cleaned. I just need to figure out how to stack it. I'm just kind of waiting for Jake to get here. And then I've decided I'm gonna hand wash all of these just because these are dishwasher safe, but they're just so nice. I don't want to like ruin them or whatever. But let me show you this over here. I have all of our like dishes and stuff. I have the glasses right here just because this is literally the only drawer that I have cleaned. Plates, tiny plates, bowls, and then the small and tall glasses, and then just like measuring cups. And then also I ordered some clear like glass straws. Those just came in from Amazon. I finally got to use our Ninja air fryer, so I need to go ahead and clean this. But this thing is so good, like 10 out of 10. Love this, highly recommend. Over here, I think I love this area so much. I just have to clean. Like, this fridge is so gross, y'all. It's been taking me forever to clean because it's just like syrups and like jellies and all this stuff that was on here. I think that is about it for me for right now. I'll maybe like update you guys later tonight. We're gonna go to Sam's Club and fill up the fridge. Good morning. I didn't vlog, not at all, yesterday because I could not find my camera. Let me give you an update. I was gonna try and get ready and stuff before I vlogged, but here we are. So this is the update on the kitchen. Yeah, it looks so much better. Literally everything is clean, unboxed, and put up. Look how aesthetically pleasing this is. Who knows how long it's gonna stay, but that just makes me so happy. And then also, Jake is going to switch this outlet and like switch it because it's inverted right now. That way I can use this guy, which they have them on Amazon that are inverted, but I'm like, like might as well just switch it up and change it. And then we also kind of just made this into like our little pantry. Oh, I did not even show you guys the update on our fridge and freezer. It took us forever to clean it, but now it looks so good, so let me show you. Ta-da! Everything is aesthetically pleasing besides like my little Dunkin' coffee, which I'm about to drink right now. Look how good it looks. So clean, so fresh. Even the freezer. The freezer's a little bit of the mess because we have some Moe's still from the wedding, so I'll have to organize it a little bit better. I mean, she's clean. She's clean. I'm gonna try and you know, break these down and put them in the dumpster today. I think I may get Jake to do some of them as well. That is it for this kitchen vlog, cleaning vlog, unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. I wish I could have showed you a little bit more of yesterday's like little situation. But like I said, I couldn't find the camera until just now. So if you guys want to watch me break down these boxes, go furniture shopping, go to Target, that will be in the next video. So until then, bye guys.